Welcome students. Now let us find what is electric potential energy stored in a conductor. Always remember students, the potential energy is stored within the system, right? Suppose plus Q1 and plus Q2 charge is there, right? So if I will bring this one from infinite to this, okay, plus Q1 to plus Q2 distance is x, right? If I will bring this plus Q2 charge at this point and I will, for an example, let us stuck it with a pin. Okay, let us stuck it with a pin. Okay, both the charges, this plus Q1 and this is now here it is plus Q2. Let us stuck it with a pin. Okay, so if I will remove this pin, what will happen? The Q2 will move this side because this is the case of repulsion. If I will remove my pin from Q1, what will happen? The Q1 will move this side. So where the energy is stored? The energy is stored in between these points, right? So let us find out the derivation. So let us take the plus Q2 charge from this point to this point, okay, and from this point to this plus Q1 to this point distance is R, and let us find out the derivation. Okay, now we are doing some work. Let us mention it. dW is equal to force into displacement dx, right? So this implies dW is equal to how much force? Q1 Q2 whole divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, what is the distance? X square, okay, into dx. Now let us integrate both sides. So integration of dW is W. So Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught outside, as these are constant, 1 by x square into dx. Now let us set the limit. What should be the limit? We are moving from infinite to this point P, right? And this point P is at a distance what? R. So this is infinite to R. Okay students, there is one point is there, that is cos theta. Don't forget cos theta. This is multiplied with cos theta. And what is theta? How much degree is this one? Your force is applied in this direction, right? But you are making the displacement in this direction. Plus Q1 plus Q2 both are plus, the force is applied in this direction, Fe, electrical force. But where the displacement is happening? The displacement is happening in this direction. So what should be the angle? 180 degree. So this is what? 180 degree. If it is 180 degree, what should be the term? Minus 1, right? Cos 180 degree is minus 1. So this will be your, this implies W is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught and integration of 1 by x square is what? Let us take integration of x to the power minus 2. Okay, minus I am taking this side because cos 180 degree is minus 1. Okay, and let us take infinite to R. This is dx. Let us integrate. W is equal to minus Q1 into Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be integration of x to the power minus 2 is nothing but x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, infinite to R, right? This will be W equal to minus Q1 into Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 infinite to R, right? So this minus and this minus will be cancelled. So this will be Q1 into Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Let us cancel it better. X to the power minus 1, let us write is 1 by x, infinite to R. Okay, now let us place the value. This will be q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught. R if you place here, this will be 1 by r minus of 1 by infinite, right? So what is 1 by infinite? 0. Okay, so what answer you will get? Only q1 into q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into r, right? And what should be this one? Equal to work done. What is work done? Energy U, potential. Now let us find what is the relation between U and V. What is U? Potential energy. What is V? Only potential, right? So we know V equal to how much? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R, where Q is what? Source charge, right? And last only we have derived what is U? U equal to Q into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. You have derived only Q1 into Q2 instead of Q and Q, that was Q1 into Q2 by 4 pi epsilon into R. The same thing only I have done. I have replaced with source charge and test charge. So let us take Q1 as source charge capital Q and test charge as small q. So Q into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. You see the difference. The similarity is only Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R, right? So what is this one? V. So U equal to V into Q. This one is what? Q by 4 pi epsilon into R is V multiplied with Q. So what is the relation? Direct relation. Thank you.